pa at nakita mo siyang lumabas sa door na yun, ano yung magiging reaction mo?
Dalawa sila ni Shuvi.
Gaganon lang ako.
Mag-ano.
Hindi, dapat yung reaction ko parang mysterious nonchalant. Hello po.
Wow! I doubt it, I doubt it.
Nice to meet you po. I'm Charlie. Lo, Diyos ko Lord, yung
Alam mo,
angle
Charlie,
ko.
nananahimik
Nonchalant
yung...
bunso pero
Wait, nonchalant.
paiyak-iyak eh.
Nananahimik yung araw ko. Pag scroll ko, may sumisigaw sa akin na babaeng maganda. Ikaw pala yun.
Maganda ba? Oh, thank you po.
Tsaka grabe din yung energy ni Charlie nung time na yun, no? Sabi ko, grabe nag-iba yung boss ni Charlie sa reaction video na yun.
Tony kasi yan
And of course, alam namin, kagaya namin, very updated rin kayo sa mga happening sa bahay ni Kuya. So we just want to know your reactions about mga trending topics. So let's talk about ito. Ito, very trending to. Yung reaction sa letter ni Larkin kay AZ. May masasabi ba kayo?
Michael, ano masasabi mo?
Let's start with the boys.
Let's start with the boys.
You know, I want to say first and foremost, namimiss ko na si AZ and I wish her the best of luck.
At dito na siya, AZ.
Oh, AZ, pasok. Joke lang. Wag muna.
AZ, we miss you! Sana rinig mo kami!
But siguro habang nandun ako sa bahay ni Kuya na-express siya sa akin yung mga nararamdaman niya tungkol sa relasyon nila and yung mga talagang soloobin niya. So ako naman, I'm just sad that I wasn't there to listen to her. Kasi AZ, she's filled with lots of beautiful stuff inside and out. And siguro for me, nung nabasa niya yung letter, siguro nakuha niya rin ang mga desires na kailangan niya. Kumbaga, it might be difficult, naging emotional siya. Pero in that way, malalaman niya talaga if where her heart wants to go and if it's gonna be better for her and what will make her happier.
Michael for mayor. Grabe. You, Emil, you have anything to say about it?
Ako, I just really hope na AZ is able to process all of her feelings. Kasi syempre, lahat naman ng mga housemates, they receive letters from their loved ones. And I really just hope that they're able to process it properly, use it as strength and motivation to keep on fighting in there. Kasi alam naman natin lahat kung gaano kahirap na manatili sa bahay. So I hope they're able to process everything and use it to further their journey dito sa bahay.
Shakira. Kayo.
Goodbye.
As a girl, as AZ's friend talaga, syempre, as the ones who know her talaga, she's so incredibly soft and seeing her distressed and I saw a clip of her na nag-anxiety siya. I wish that I was there to comfort her and everything. And it made me wonder, oh my God, like sana somebody was there to hug her and to just listen to her. And grabe, I just hope that at the right time, syempre, she will get the clarity. And of course, dun sa guy niya din. Yan lang.
I believe, Charis po, I think it's really hard to think of the present and stay in the present if you're still processing your past. Which I think is kind of what's happening to AZ right now. And syempre, nasa outside yung guy. I really hope then she gets the clarity that she wants. And she makes a decision na dun sa puso niya. So yeah, we wish AZ the best talaga. And we love her. And she's very strong for continuing and keeping up talaga inside the house.
I feel like she needs a break, honestly. Parang a break from the heartache that she's been dealing with in regards to the guy. I really wish na she got a letter from a sibling or her mother because those are the kinds of letters that will keep you going in the house. Yung makita mo yung pangalan ng loved one mo, yun yung mag-inspire din talaga sa'yo. But I don't know if I read her reaction right. Yun nga, you said she looked like she was dealing with anxiety.
Yeah.
I just wish yung nakita niya ay naka-uplift sa kanya rather than napanghinaan ba siya ng loob or something like that.
Oh.
Pero ito, let's move on to parang pang ibang usapan na to. Palalim na ng palalim. We need more time na po. More pa. kahit ang dami pa.
Kahit 3:30 na tayo mag-start.
Pero hindi ito, okay, on a lighter note.
Yeah.
So ano masasabi nyo sa pagkalasing, sa pagkawasak ni Ate Klang?
Mom! Oh my gosh, Mom!
You, Mom! Let your mom breathe!
Oh.
No, bago kasi kami umalis ng bahay, I asked Kuya if pwede kami mag-swimming. Sabi ni Kuya, on one condition, dapat mag-swimming si Ate Klang. So siguro, nung nag-swimming siya ng konti, nabitin pa siya. Kaya ngayon nung nalasing siya, nag-swimming ulit siya.
Pwede.
Oh my God, natawa ko, Mom. And for me, I'm happy rin that she let everything out. Because while you're in the house, minsan there's feelings na kailangan mo talaga sabihin. And whether it's in a way na nalasing man or kung ano, it helps. Eventually, the day after, I'm sure, pinagtatawa na lang nila yan and it's gonna be a core memory for them.
Ako parang na-miss ko yung bahay kasi parang FOMO, parang grabe yan sa'yo nila. I mean, especially si Ate Klang. I mean, syempre, for sure, hindi niya alam kung anong ginagawa niya or kung alam man niya, parang grabe, gusto ko rin tumalon kasama ni Ate Klang sa pool, no? But, ayun, I just miss them a lot when I saw si Ate Klang na tumalon sa pool and lahat naman sila nagsasayahan. So, ayun. Thanks, guys. Kita lang tayo sa labas.
Alam mo, sobrang saludo ako kay Ate Klang kasi tinanggal pa niya yung lapel.
Naisip pa niya.
Naisip niya,
Naisip
tanggalin
niya
pa
yun.
niya. Tapos tumalon pa. Parang she knew what she was doing.
Yeah.
And she made the right choice, y'all.
Mahal tong lapel. Sige.
Boosh! Ganun. Pero I'm happy that they got to loosen up talaga in the house. Yeah.
Shuvi, kamusta naman yung lapel mo, Day? Sorry, Shuvi. I love you. Ate Klang, I'm just happy that... Sorry, ako ba yun? Sorry, I'm just happy that they had one night and I'm sure it was full of laughter. I'm sure ang daming hindi natin nakita. And like Michael said, I'm sure it's a core memory for them. Ayun lang.
Okay. So, moving on from that eksena from Ate Klang, of course, I also want to talk about it's also a famous trend yung pag-drunk confess ni AZ. It may be indirect or direct. It's up to you guys to judge. Pero yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that clip of AZ with Ralph. Ano masasabi niyo?
Di ko pa nakita, Mav. Honestly.
Oh, really?
Ako personally, hindi ko pa nakikita. Ano ba yung nangyari? Baka pwede pa kwento. Tapos
magre-react kami
live.
shucks.
Live na live.
Reenactment.
Pero legit
Actually, pwede ko naman ikwento, pero mas magaling magkwento si Alexa.
Back to you!
So basically, di ba parang they were drunk. And then, alam ko yun yung nakahiga siya sa bed, di ba? Ano yun? Ayun, tapos she kept saying, Ralph can't know this, Ralph can't know this.
Yes.
Oh.
Basta ganun.
Can't
We
know
don't
that.
know.
That.
Maybe,
We can't
naman
say
yung
it.
sasabihin niya.
We don't know
Oo.
what she
Basta he
feels.
can't know anything, I
Yes.
guess. Can't know what she feels, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. Hindi naman nalinaw yun.
Oh, may comment na ako dyan. AZ, time is the ultimate truth teller.
Wow!
Maganda yun.
Kaya naman, ano masasabi niyo kay AZ?
Talaga,
Go, girl!
AZ, bata ka, halika dito, AZ. Hindi. I'm happy that Mika was there for and Josh. Grabe, I saw lots of clips of them. Sobrang tinutulungan nila si AZ. Minom ka naman ng water, AZ. Tama na yan.
Ako, Kira and Charlie, I think I can say this one thing to AZ. AZ, we know something you don't know! We know something you don't know!
Nako po.
And now, lahat ng viewers, nanggigigil na yan sa inuupuan nila kasi they don't know. Ano ba yan? Splook. Michael, we know it more.
Mic off, mic.
We know it more, y'all. Sige, later. Para naman kasali naman kami ni Mavi dyan. Pero hindi, ayun nga, when I was watching those clips, natuwa ako kasi you can really see yung samahan na nabuo ng mga housemates, kung paano sila nag-aalagaan. And ako, na-soft ako sa part ni Ate Klang. Kasi di ba naglalabas siya ng frustrations niya na, not on frustration, pero parang semi-rant na baka you're keeping me here just because I cook.
Chef.
Parang,
Oh.
mahal mo ba ako dahil kailangan mo ako o kailangan mo ako dahil mahal mo. Ganon! Maabot na tayo doon. Hindi, pero parang ganon. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda na sinabi ni Will sa kanya. As you guys can see, ang ganda ng message niya na parang ngayon, panahon naman para ibalik nila yung pag-aalaga at yung love na binibigay ni Ate Klang. Sila naman na mag-aalaga sa kanila. And yun din yung na-receive ni AC. AZ. Kalamika.
Yeah.
Yun ang masaya yung nag-aalagaan kayo, nandun kayo for each other. Kahit lahat kayo mga wasak din. Trying hard.
Ba't kami? Ba't kami?
Ano ba kami dyan?
Wala na po kami sa bahay. Let's just make our own. Let's just make our own.
Yeah.
Let's just make our own.
Can I also give like a mini shoutout din kay Cyril? Because
Yes,
there was a clip also na, I think it was Bianca and AZ na, at si Ate Klang, sa mga kama na nila, and then Cyril was really taking care of them, as in, like, with the blanket, with the pillows. So, shout sa'yo, Cyril. Cyril! De, joke lang. Di pala ako rin. But yeah, shout out to her because she really took care of them also, besides the other housemates.
Yeah.
So, besides, just another pointer, like, besides, like, yung mga nomination night, yung mga eviction night, you know that deep down inside their hearts that there's still that feeling that you want to take care of your fellow housemates, no matter what. Yeah.
Of course. Nangunguna palagi naman ng love eh. And at the end of the day, you know na it's just a game talaga. Sometimes it's not personal. So ito, gusto pa namin makuha mga reaction nyo mula sa... Ang dami nangyari nung gabing yun, ha?
I know.
Sobrang dami. Sobrang
For sure,
dami.
may mas nangyayari pa na hindi nakalabas. For sure yan.
For sure. Pero I think yung mga ganyang bagay, it's not meant na talaga para ilabas.
Yes.
Para proteksyonan na rin ang mga housemates, syempre, para
Bunso, ha?
maproteksyonan na lahat. Pero ito nga, mula sa gabi na yon, nakita natin na nag-alaga din si Donnie.
Oh, yes.
Inalagaan niya ang kanyang... sabi ni Charlie,
Sana
okay
all.
lang, sana all. Inalagaan din ni Donnie, at hindi lang inalagaan, binihisan ni Donnie si Esnir.
Yes.
Anak, tawan-tawa ko sa meme na to. Parang SPG. Parang kailangan ng striktong patnubay at gabay ng
Parang
magulang.
lalabas na po yata ako. SBG na to eh.
Pero hindi.
Hindi na pwede to.
I just wonder, no? Alam kaya ni Esnir nangyayari?
No.
Di ba? Parang, siguro, ngayon pa lang mapapalabas ang reaksyon ng mga housemates sa nangyari.
That's true.
That's a major digital footprint, y'all. I wish you could, Kuya, play the VTR on the TV so Esnir can see it.
Pero that's something so beautiful because I believe like what they said sa loob na Donnie and Esnir already friends outside, in the outside world. So it's nice to see Donnie helping out a friend and also for that time being a fellow housemate. At saka top and bottom yun, ha?
Tsaka ang
Binihisan
ganda
niya
ng
si
mga
Esnir, ha?
message din na iniwan ni Donnie para sa mga housemates.
Yes. And of course, Team Online, hindi pa dyan natatapos ang ating kulitan at bonding. Pero bago natin ituloy yan, bakit hindi muna tayo manood ng isang PBB exclusive tungkol sa naging basketball match ng ating mga housemates kasama si Donnie?
Sana all.
May nanalo ka kaya between the housemates? Let's watch this.
Yung mga gusto mag-basketball, mag-ano tayo? Para yung lahat ng teams may... Winners?
Hindi yan! Yes, let's go! Donnie Pangilinan on three! River pass the ball to Donnie! Donnie passes the ball to Ralph! Let's go, Ralph! Ralph to River! Let's go! Let's go! Hindi yan! Yes, let's go! Donnie Pangilinan on three! Ayun na, sobrang init na ng...
Two-one. Screen. Hey.
Ang galing.
Kara naman. And there's
Yes,
Esnir. Tumira.
Bang.
Mira ng tres. Mira ng tres.
2-0.
Grabe naman yan.
Uy, import na lang natin. GMA na lang ka. Shot!
Uy,
Tapos girls, gusto niya pa.
ayun na, sobrang init na ng...
Two-one.
Stephen Munggo. Ayun na, sobrang init na ng...
Two-one.
Stephen Munggo. Islam.
Uy.
Oy. Josh, kung mahal mo ako, Diyos, hindi kita lulutuan ng omelet, Josh!
Okay, Pops.
Bang! Stop. No, hindi kayo pwede. Hindi ka pwede. Doon, hindi ka kinilan!
Shot.
Let's go! Esnero. Lingge. Ay, ako.
Ay.
Out. Dalawa.
Even.
Let's go! Ayun, bro. I see. Dalawa.
Feeling ko,
Ang saya, no?
Sana all housemates.
Yeah, feeling ko, inggit sila. Ako, wala akong...
Imagine nyo, online world, kung nandun yung Shakira tsaka yung Millie, no? Grabe. Sobrang saya. Pero nakakamiss lang talaga na yung mga fun moments sa bahay. Especially watching yung mga housemates na nagsasayaan. Kasi yun talaga yung namimiss ko honestly. Just those random moments of fun. And especially kapag may linagay si Kuya ng basketball court or anything, it's really just pure enjoyment talaga. And those are the memories that really stick with me.
Yeah, it's funny kasi yung mga boys, plinano na namin yan kung sino mga matchup namin. So talagang iniintay na namin makalabas lahat na mag-basketball. Pero them, they got to play inside. So masaya ako para sa kanila. Kitang-kita yung competitiveness ng lahat. Grabe yun. Will Ashley! That's our trio, pare. Grabe. So much fun and we wish that we were able to join but I'm glad they really enjoyed.
Wait, may mensahe po kami para kay Esnir.
Oh, Esnir. Oh.
3, 2, 1, go. Bogart is my name and basketball is my game. Go Esnir! Go Esnir!
Ang saya nun. Pero isa rin sa mga napanood natin this week ay yung task ni Kuya sa mga housemates na kendama. At syempre, hindi natin palalampasin ang chance na to para maipatry sa ating mga guests. Sa Team Millie at sa Team Shakira ang task na to. Kanina pa nagpa-practice tong mga to, guys. Kaya, sino kaya sa kanila maging magaling? Sino sa kanila ang the best sa
ito na.
kendama? Let's go. May timer tayo dito. Sana wag umabot sa akin ng mga ball.
Ayan. 1 minute. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Wala pa.
Tapos!
Di counted eh.
Kuya,
That's my duo, pare.
Kuya, this duo is here, Kuya.
Wait lang. Michael.
Wala pa!
Okay, 3,
Cheater!
2, 1, go! Go.
The pressure.
Kira. Emilio and Charlie na lang.
Ayoko magmana sa kuya ko. Wait lang.
Sayang.
2.
Oh.
What is happening in the Philippines? 4. 5. 6. Wait.
Wow. Last 20 seconds.
8. Bakit ganun?
Let's go, Charlie and Emilio. Nakarami na si Michael at si Kira.
Don't worry, guys. This is all for the vibes. Walang prize to. Just bragging rights.
Oh, wow.
Yay, nakaano na si Emilio.
Go, Charlie. 2, 1. Wow! Buzzer beater! Wow.
I got one, y'all.
Grabe.
Screenshot nyo to, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, how do you guys feel playing the game? You guys were able to play it, no? Right? You guys, how was your experience
all.
playing this?
Ay, sorry. Sorry guys, nalilimutan ko talaga. Wala akong mic. Masaya siya. And sa una, mahirap talaga siya. Kailangan mo munang makuha yung tamang,
Rhythm.
Yes, the rhythm. Ganon, yes.
You, baby girl Charlie.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Feeling ko kung nandun ako sa loob, wala na. Pick me, choose me, love me na lang po. Wala na akong duo-duo.
Wait, ma'am, sino yung nanalo? Sinong
Kami.
rank 1?
Kira.
Kira yung rank 1. Sino rank 2?
Ako.
Okay.
Mabs.
Ako na yung rank 3. Kuya, ang pipiliin ko po, si Emilio Daes.
Wow! Wow! Wait lang. Bilang ako si Kuya.
Sorry, baka masyadong competitive na. Joke lang.
Kira. Sino?
Bakit ngongo si kuya?
Oy.
Pikachu, I choose you.
Si Alexa talaga, napaka-ano talaga. I love Alexa
I
talaga.
can't do this
love
anymore. I
Alexa.
can't do this, Alexa.
May kasalanan kasi sa akin yun. Mavi, paki-segue, Mavi.
Guys, grabe ang ganda ni Alexa today.
Paki-segue na, Mavi.
Anyway, Team Online. Alam mo namin bitin ang bonding with Team Millie and Team Shakira and Team... Ano ba team natin? Wala. Don't worry dahil nakakasama pa natin sila mamaya during the gaps. Kaya naman, stay tuned sa ating kwentuhan mamaya.
Pero sa ngayon, namaus ako dun Pero sa ngayon, eto na. Alamin na natin ang mga updates dyan kay Kuya. Pumunta na sa Kapuso Stream and Kapamilya Online Live para sa buong ganap sa bahay ni Kuya. See you later!
Yeah.